Hello, uh, my name is Anto. I would like to share how uh, you make your personal hotspot is appear in iPhone. Yeah, like you see in my screen there is no hotspot, so mean you can't share internet through my phone. So how you make it appear? Yeah. First time you have to do is you go to cellular, and then in here I use two SIM card, yeah, but you choose one of them. So me, I use Telkomsel, and you go to the cellular data network, you scroll it down, and then here you type the in APN, yeah, you type internet. That's it. So now you go back, the personal hotspot is appear. Okay, I hope it's help for you, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much. See you.